Hey there, it's Victor Amadi with Producer Realty on location at my newest listing here at 225 Cornerstone Court, right here in the heart of Simpsonville, South Carolina. This home has a little over 1,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. There's a large master suite with an ensuite bathroom that has double sinks and a tub shower combination. Also has a large walk-in closet as well. It's a split bedroom floor plan. On the other side of the home, you have 2 additional bedrooms with the full bath. And the 4th bedroom has an ensuite bathroom as well. There's laminate flooring throughout the home except in the master bedroom, which has carpet, and the bathrooms, which have the linoleum flooring. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Now, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-525-0201, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye-bye.